Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the color of an image in Canva. Now I'm going to go ahead and try to give a sample using this one right here. This is a ball element that we are going to be using. As you can see, there's no option for me to change the color of this ball right here. You can see at the top there's no way to do that. Yeah, but there's actually something. You can head over to edit and then scroll down to effects, and then we're going to use duotone. Now there are different tones here, but I'm just going to use the custom, and then from here you can go ahead and click this one, and then you can go ahead and change it to the color if you want. Say for example, in my case I'm going to use that red right there, and then for the shadows let's change it to red as well. And as you can see, it has now turned to red, but we can adjust that one, adjust the intensity, so that the elements, like for example these lines here indicating it's a ball, is still seen. So if you're going to zero this, it's go back to its original color, but yeah, if you slightly increase that one, it's gonna go to that color that you have chosen. Now I'm gonna demonstrate you by choosing another color. Say for example it's gonna be blue. Let's use this one right here. I'm gonna copy this, put it here. There you go. And then since this is a different color, we can go ahead and increase this one to make the adjustment. And yeah, that is the best way in order for us to change the color of an image in Canva.